Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap St. Regis local and long-distance movers near me. There are plenty of options you can enjoy with a long-distance moving company like us, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with us for your long-distance move, you get the help you truly need. We know how to make your relocation so much easier. Our team of movers will ensure your things stay protected, no matter how far you need to move. When you hire a Kentucky moving company, you get a team of experts for your local move. This means you don't have to worry about items becoming damaged or getting injured from doing the lifting yourself. With 3 movers, you get the right local movers for the job. We know how to make sure you get moved quickly and efficiently. Our team can handle even a larger move in less than a day, often in just hours. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our St. Regis Park moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.